Not that this is a problem.
How would you like to get caught?
I have peanuts. Okay?
There we go.
It's not my fault when I have peanuts.
It makes total sense. It's going on.
Alright, and this is probably not the best time to try to do my hair. Ow! What the hell?
Jesus.
Is there plastic in my hair?
Is that an alligator in your hair?
Oh gosh, we should tell them that story.
Inside joke. Go ahead, you tell them.
No,
You say it's a
tell them.
rule.
Alright,
So once upon a time.
so once upon a time. Story time! Alright, so, ow, if I could just get this knot off my hair, that would be great. Okay, so, a couple years ago, like 5 years ago,
Yeah, right.
there was this lady that lived next door from me. And she would come over because she was lonely and she would talk to us and stuff. I'm not going to say no names, nothing. I'm not going to say where I live, nothing, okay? But, because I don't want to leak her out just in case, you know. But anyway, we were sitting on a porch and it was obvious that she had some issues. And kids do not do drugs. Okay. She has some issues, she was touched, but I don't judge nobody. So, by the way, guys, I'm trying something with my hair. I don't know if I said that because I got PMS for it. But I'm going to try to braid it and then attach this hair at the bottom to make it longer. See, it matches. But I don't really know if that's going to work out. So if it doesn't work out, at least you guys got a story time and you'll just see my face and my story. Anyway, moving on. So she came over and we were talking and I was feeling really uncomfortable because that's just how I am when I see people that are out of character, using drugs out of character. Like if you are just naturally crazy and just whatever, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with crazy. But when you are on drugs and you are acting crazy, that's a whole different story. So anyway.
I think makes me very comfortable. I think they can relate.
Yeah, I think you guys can relate. Okay. So anyway, so we're sitting there and she's talking and then all of a sudden there's like it's like a garbage bag, or no, it was a newspaper that was in front of us a little bit away. Tell me why. She says, oh my God, look, is that an alligator over there? I did not know what to say to this lady. Okay? Because, I mean, first off, she scared me because of the way she said it. She was like, oh my God, look, is that an alligator over there? So when she said, is that an alligator over there, I had to like think twice in my mind. Like, I looked at her, I looked back at the newspaper, and I said, no, silly, that's just a newspaper. And she looked at me and she said, oh my God, it moved. I thought it was an alligator. So that is my story. And so anytime we see something like awkward,
Yeah, right.
we always say, is that an alligator over there?
Yeah.
Go ahead, babe, say it.
Now you know about the inside joke.
They can't see you, but
Like, well,
tell them.
Yeah.
They can't see you.
Is that an alligator over there? It's our inside joke.
Yep.
It's just hilarious to us. It's a little family thing. But now you guys got to hear the story, and now maybe it can
Now
become
next,
an inside joke
it'll
to
be
your
an inside
family.
joke to you.
Yeah,
Next time you see like a paper flying and you get scared, and you're like, is that an alligator over there? That's how her face was too. Is that an alligator over there?
Well, start something new with your family. That was hilarious though.
Anyway, okay, so I started, but
Classic.
all right. So now I'm just gonna cut the talking. I'm gonna fast forward because I gotta concentrate. Thank God I don't have any nails on yet because it makes it harder. Actually, it makes it harder yet easier to grab the hair because I have the nails, but whatever. Shut up, Melissa. Just, we're going. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can get the notifications so that you know when I upload another video, because YouTube is messing with people's stuff nowadays. So when you go on my channel, just remember me and subscribe, and you go on my channel, make sure that that bell is checked, just so you know. If you don't want to check it, you don't have to check it. If you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to subscribe. But I love you. Have a great day. Happy herring. Did it again, by the way. I'm sorry. It's probably really loud. Forgot to shut my fans off. Now that I just sweat all my face off, I'm definitely going to take my happy self to a hair store and get some synthetic weave bundles, because that junk was a pain in the ass. It was only because it was so short. If it wasn't so short and so like blunt, because I cut it off the weft, it would have been fine. I did do my eyebrows. Now they're all wet off. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go dip in some hot water and fix the top part. I think I'm going to put maybe I'll put some strings around this, wrapped around right here, because, you know, I did with what I had, and that's what you got to do sometimes. But I wanted to show you that even me, you know, when you see me braid my hair, sometimes I got to stop it and redo it. Sometimes I don't really care, and I'll just leave it the way it is, and it'll have a couple bumps or whatever. But when I really want it smooth, and like now I still need to put some spray in my hair, it takes time. Nothing is easy. It always takes practice. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it's not as easy as it seems. No. So if you're having a hard time, I have a hard time too. So just keep practicing. I know that I'm not a great tutorial person to show you how to do it, because I barely even know how I do it myself. I kind of just kept practicing on my own head until I got it down. So, be inspired, be creative, do things different, just keep practicing. Alright guys, so until the next video, I will catch you